Good morning students. Last class we discussed about the equation of a plane. Now also we discuss the equation of a plane passing through three non-collinear points. Equation of a plane. Equation of a plane passing through the three non-collinear points. Today class we discuss about the derivation of the equation of a plane passing through three non-collinear points. Now we shall derive the equation of a plane passing through three non-collinear points. So, this derivation is also 5 marks derivation. Derive the equation of a plane passing through three non-collinear points in both vector and Cartesian form. In both vector and Cartesian form. So, you put an derivation calculate equation of a plane given that three non-collinear points in both vector and Cartesian form. Consider a plane. So, the plane consider three non-collinear points. Let the 3 points be A, B and C. A, B, C are three non-collinear points. Let A x1, y1, z1, B x2, y2, z2, C x3, y3, z3 be the three non-collinear points on the plane. With position vectors. So these 3 points in a position vector consider that is position vector OA equals vector A, vector OB equals vector B, vector OC equals vector C. So first sentence, that is first point, let A x1 y1 z1 B x2 y2 z2 C x3 y3 z3 be the three non-collinear points. On the plane. Be the three non-collinear points on the plane with position vectors. Vector A, vector B and vector C respectively. So given 3 points we consider as a B, C. These 3 points are non-collinear points with the position vectors vector A, vector B, vector C. That is, position vector is nothing but vector OA equals vector A, vector OB equals vector B, vector OC equals vector C. Now we shall consider the arbitrary point, that is P. Let P, X, Y, Z be any point on the plane. Let P, X, Y, Z be any point on the plane with position vector. That is vector R. With position vector R. Next sentence, let P, X, Y, Z be any point. Let P, X, Y, Z be any point on the plane. Be any point on the plane with position vector. With position position vector, vector r. That is vector OP. Vector OP equals vector r. Vector OP equals vector r. Now we shall find the equation of a plane of given these 3 points. Now we have to find. Now we have to find the equation of a plane. Equation of a plane by using these 3 points. Equation of a plane by these 3 points. These 3 points, non-collinear points. By using these 3 non-collinear points. By using 3 non-collinear points. From the figure, vector AP and vector AC. Vector AP, vector AB, vector AC are coplanar. Here, vector AP, vector AB and vector AC are coplanar. Coplanar. These 3 vectors are coplanar. See, vector AP, vector AB, vector AC are coplanar. If 3 vectors are coplanar, then they scalar triple product. Then their scalar triple product is 0. If 3 vectors are coplanar, then the scalar triple product is 0. That is vector AP, scalar triple product, vector AP dot of vector AB cross vector AC equal 0. Scalar triple product is vector AP dot of vector AB cross vector AC equal 0. Now, vector AP can be written as vector OP minus vector OA. Vector OP minus vector OA. Vector OP minus vector OA. Then vector AB. Vector AB equals vector OB minus vector OA cross of vector AC equals vector OC minus vector OA equal 0. So when this ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. Vector OP is vector R. Vector R minus vector OA is vector A. Vector R minus vector A dot of vector OB is vector B minus vector OA is vector A cross of vector OC is vector C minus vector OA is vector A equal 0. This is the vector equation of a plane passing through 3 non-collinear points. Vector equation of a plane passing through 3 non-collinear points is vector R minus vector A dot of vector B minus vector A cross of vector C minus vector A. This is the vector equation. This is the vector equation of a plane. This is the vector equation of a plane. Now Cartesian form. Given points convert to the vector. That is, let vector A equals, vector A is the position vector of capital A. Its point x1 y1 z1. Then vector A equals x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap. And vector B is the position vector of the point B, x2 y2 z2. Then x2 I cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k cap. And vector C is the position vector of the point C, x3 y3 z3. Then its vector form x3 I cap plus y3 j cap plus z3 k cap. And vector R is the position vector of the point P, x, y, z. Then x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. By using, so this vector equation called as equation 1. Now equation 1 becomes scalar triple product. Equation 1 becomes, that is equation 1, vector R minus vector A dot of vector B minus vector A cross of vector C minus vector A equals 0 by using scalar triple product. By using scalar triple product, vector A dot of vector B cross vector C is nothing but determinant. By using scalar triple product is nothing but determinant R minus A, x minus x1, next y minus y1, next one z minus z1, next b minus a, b point x2 y2 c2 and a point x1 y1 z1, that is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, and last c minus a, x3 minus x1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, y3 minus y1, and z3 minus z1 equal 0. This is the Cartesian equation of the line. This is the Cartesian equation of the line passing through three non-collinear points. Equation of a plane passing through three non-collinear points in vector form: vector R minus vector A dot of vector B minus vector A cross of vector C minus vector A equals 0, where R is the arbitrary point, that is P point x, y, z. A, B, C are the three non-collinear points. In Cartesian form, that is nothing but determinant x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1. This is the Cartesian equation. This is the Cartesian equation of a plane passing through 3 points x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, z3. So this is the derivation of the equation of a plane passing through three non-collinear points in Cartesian form, that is nothing but determinant x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 equal 0. Now we shall go the problems. Now the problem, find the equations of the plane passing through the points 1, 1, 0, 1, 2, 1 and minus 2, 2, minus 1 in both vector and Cartesian form. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಬರೀ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲೈನ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ವಿ ಶಲ್ ಡೂ ದಿ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. In this problem we shall do in both the method, first vector and Cartesian form. First given points na consider madam. Let given point A equals x1 y1 z1, that is 1 1 0. Then vector A equals I cap plus j cap plus k cap is 0. 0 and everything is 0. Next B equals x2 y2 z2 equals second point 1 2 1. Then vector B equals I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap, and third point, that is third point x3 y3 z3 equals -2 2 minus 1. In vector, that is vector C equals -2i cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Now we shall find the equation of the plane in vector form and Cartesian form. Become vector equation of a plane. Vector equation of a plane is passing through 3 points is nothing but vector r minus vector a dot of vector r minus vector a dot of vector b minus vector a cross of vector c minus vector a equal 0. In vector equation, vector r minus vector a dot of vector b minus vector a cross of vector c minus vector a. So now we shall find vector b minus a and vector c minus a. Here vector b minus a equals vector b minus a I minus I, that is 0. Next term plus 2j minus j, that is plus j cap. Next 1, here 0, that is 1 minus 0 is plus k cap. And next one, vector c minus vector a equals c minus a, minus 2 minus 1 is nothing but minus 3i cap. Then plus 2 minus 1, plus 2 minus 1 is plus j cap. Then minus k plus 0, that is minus k cap. So now we derive my b minus a and c minus a. Then b minus a cross of c minus a we want. b minus a cross of c minus a is nothing but vector product b minus a cross of vector c minus a equals determinant I cap j cap k cap. b minus a, components of b minus a 0 1 1 and c minus a minus 3 1 minus 1. Expand this. I cap into 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 into 1, that is 1. Next minus j into 0 into minus 1 is 0 minus 3 into 1, that is plus 3 plus k cap into 0 minus 3 plus 1, that is plus 3 equals minus 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 3k cap. That is vector b minus vector a cross of vector c minus vector a equals minus 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 3k cap. Now consider this equation 1. Equation 1 becomes equation 1 becomes R. Vector R minus vector A. Vector R minus vector A. Vector A is nothing but I cap plus J cap. I cap plus J cap. Next, dot of vector B minus vector A cross of vector C minus vector A is nothing but minus 2 I cap minus 3 J cap plus 3 K cap equal 0. Next, expand. Vector R dot of each term के dot consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. That is vector R dot of minus 2 I cap minus 3 J cap plus 3 K cap. Next, minus into. ಈ ಎರಡು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ನ dot product means corresponding components multiply and take this and minus as it is ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 into minus 2 that is minus 2. J coefficient J is 1. 1 into minus 3 minus 3. Here K is 0. 0 into 3 is 0 equals 0. That is vector R dot of minus 2 I cap minus 3 J cap plus 3 K cap minus of. Simplify this. Minus 2 minus 3 that is minus 5. Minus 5 into minus that is plus 5 equals 0. This is the equation of a plane passing through 3 points in vector form. Now we shall do the Cartesian form. Cartesian equation of a plane. What is the Cartesian equation of the plane passing through 3 points? That is determinant. It is not mod. It is determinant. Determinant x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. Second row x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. And third row x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 equals 0. In Cartesian form there is nothing but determinant equals 0. Now x minus x1, x minus x1 is 1, y minus y1, y minus y1 is 1, and z minus z1, z1 is 0. Next, x2 minus x1 is nothing but b minus a. b minus a components are 0, 1, 1. Next, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is nothing but vector c minus vector a. Vector c minus vector a components is minus 3, 1, minus 1 equals 0. Now expand this. X minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Then minus 1 into 1 is 1 minus of y minus 1 into 0 into 1 is 0 minus 3 into 1 that is plus 3 plus z minus 0 is z into 0 into 1 is 0 minus 3 that is 0 plus 3 equals 0. Then x minus 1 into minus 2 minus y minus 1 into 0 plus 3 is 3 plus z into 3 equal 0. Then in bracket minus 2x plus 2 minus 3y minus into minus plus 3 plus 3z plus 3z equals 0. Then rearrange ಮಾಡೋಣ. Here x is positive but first term is x is negative. First term is always positive, so multiplied by minus. Minus in multiply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ minus into minus that is plus 2x plus 3y minus 3z. Then constant 2 plus 3 plus into minus 5 equals 0. This is the Cartesian equation of a line passing through 3 points.